In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme in Outlook. Changing your Outlook theme can give your email interface a fresh and customized look, making your daily tasks a bit more enjoyable. Let's dive right into the steps you need to follow to change your Outlook theme. First, start by opening Outlook in your web browser. Once you're on the Outlook homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon. This is your settings button. Click on that and a drop-down menu should appear. This menu hosts a variety of options you can tweak to tailor your Outlook experience to fit your needs. Next, from this menu, scroll down until you find the View All Outlook Settings link at the bottom, and give it a click. This will take you to the main settings page where you can access and modify comprehensive settings for your Outlook account. Here, you'll want to look for the section labeled General. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on that. Within the General section, you'll see several options related to your overall Outlook experience. Here, you want to find and select Appearance. Clicking on Appearance will allow you to access all the available themes. Now, within the Appearance tab, you will find a range of themes to choose from. Outlook offers various colors and styles, so take a moment to browse through the themes presented. Whether you prefer a minimalist style or something vibrant and expressive, there's bound to be something that suits your taste. As you click through the different themes, pay attention to how each one changes the look and feel of your email interface. This will give you a preview of how your inbox will appear once the theme is applied. When you find the theme that resonates with you, simply click on it to select it. After you've selected your preferred theme, make sure to save your changes. Look for the Save button typically found at the bottom of your screen. It's crucial to click Save to ensure that your new theme is applied and set as the default view for your Outlook account. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Outlook theme. It's always refreshing to see a new look when managing emails, and the right theme can make a significant difference in how you interact with your Outlook account daily. Remember, you can always revisit the appearance settings to switch themes whenever you desire a new look, or if you want to match the theme with special occasions or personal moods. Thank you for joining me today in customizing your Outlook experience. Hopefully you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks to maximize your productivity and enhance your digital workspace.